how to adjust the display brightness of any computer or PC. What you just need to do is just get into a PC settings. After getting into your PC settings, move to where we have system and click the option system. You will see an option saying brightness and color. Change brightness for the built-in display, so you can adjust the brightness up to the level of your choice in case you want to reduce it in case it is too high, or you want to increase it in case it is too low. You see the brightness is adjusting using the brightness scale, so you can adjust it up to the lowest level of your choice or into the highest level of your choice, and that is how you can adjust the screen brightness of your computer in case you are in any videos. That is the simple step which you can follow. But in case you are using Windows 10, we have the Windows 10 have made life easier for you. You just click the new notification here option, then in here below we have the adjust brightness option again, so you can reduce and increase, and that is it.